how to move from this to this.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For this one, new Minimalism, damarisnjengayt, and today I am taking you with me on my packing. I'm embarking on a travel for a whole month and I always carry my backpack. So today I'm going to be showing you how I pack, the things I pack, and ways in which you can pack so you can make your packing easier, and maybe give you tips and tricks on how you can pack and just be easy with it, because as you travel you don't want luggage issues, bags, and all the openings you have to do, you know. Yeah, so also it reduces on your packages. Suppose you're using the flight, because you can avoid checking it in. So I'm just going to take you through that process. I hope you get some tips and tricks from this video. So let's get straight into it. The first thing you need is space. You need sufficient space for you to be able to do the minimalist packing. The second thing I need is my book. I have a book where I have written everything I need for my packing. So anytime I fold them, I am able to take and proceed. So first thing is pack my makeup. I have this small bag that I love packing my makeup. It actually has my hairbrush. I have all the makeup that I need. My perfume, my mascara, lipstick. You have to know your essential makeup. For me, it's lipstick, perfume, spray, and these are jewelries like my earrings and all the stuff. Yeah, so suppose there is more I have not put in here. That's what I'm going to do, and to ensure I have everything inside. So, my chains, my earrings. So to avoid your earrings from tangling, you can use the paper, the packaging that you got it from, and just fix your earrings. They are going to remain there, so they will not tangle, neither will your chain tangle as well. So like this. So now we are good to go. Of course, you need a makeup brush. Toothpaste, very essential. Tags for the ladies. Which one is this paper? You don't need that. You have more lipstick, eye pencil, dry clean. This will go here. More brush. More things here. So that is it for makeup. The second thing we do is we take our shoes. This time I'm going to be traveling with 3 pairs of shoes. Okay, this one not bad. That should have gone here. This time I'm going to be traveling with 3 pairs of shoes. The shoe I'm wearing, I'm going to show you. Then I have these sport shoes because there's a place I'll hike. And then this one I want to slay. So I either can tie the ropes on the shoe, which is the best way to avoid them from getting lost, or you can put them inside your shoe. Like, because this shoe I carry an extra pair of shoelaces. So after you have packed this, you take your, I didn't put this inside here. So I have my socks. Let me show you how to fold. For the socks, you put them inside your shoe. One, it helps the shoe to remain in its right form and it's in right shape. So you put the shoes like that. Then let me show you how to fold your socks so that it remains as little as you can see. So here, you put the other on top of that. Then you come to the starting point and you roll little by little, the smallest portion that you can. Roll, roll. When you're almost there, you fold one, and then you take your piece and you roll again inside like that. Easy, easy. Easy. Then you're good to go. So then you take this and you put inside your shoe. So we have that ready. Have that ready. Well, the next thing that I'm packing is jeans, and I'm packing not more than 4 to 5 jeans. So I try to diversify the color. So we have this blue one, and then I have this black one. I have this. Those are 3. Then I have this. So those are 4 jeans. And for the pajama that I'll carry to sleep, because I do couch surfing, is what I'm wearing right now. I'm just going to remove and fold and pack. So for the trousers, this is very essential, especially if you're packing jeans and you want it to occupy very little space. You fold it into 2. 1, it helps to reduce on creases and it reduces its space. Then you fold the trouser into 2. Then you start from your waist and the end of the trouser and you roll in small pieces. So you roll into small pieces. So I'm just going to do that for all the trousers. The good thing with couch surfing, you get an opportunity to wash your clothes. Also, if you're hosting, you can get a place to just wash your clothes. Easy. Bonus tip: fold these trousers one by one. Don't fold them in a bunch. It reduces in the amount. The next thing that I pack is dresses. I'm going to be going with I'm not a fan of dresses, so maybe 2 dresses. So this is 1. Then try and carry very light dresses. Also, when it comes to dresses, you can also use short dresses. They come in very handy. Also look for dresses that can be convertible, that you can wear in different forms. That really helps. Oh, I forgot. I really need this pajama kind of sweatband for my hiking, so I have to fold it and carry it. Yeah, my second dress. After that, I definitely need a towel. I carry this small towel because it's convenient for my travels and also easy to dry. More coverings. This is my hair turban for the hair, and I can also use to cover myself suppose it gets cold, so it's multi-purpose. Yeah, so we fold it. I have 2 of these, just suppose one gets dirty. So let's get to the tops, the up part and everything. So I carry this, the jacket. Let me show you how you pack this jacket. You carry one jacket, and this is how you carry it. You don't need to put it in the backpack. You just fold in your waist, and you're good to go. If you're going to a cold place, you can layer as many hoods as you want, like maybe 2 to 3, not more than 3. Then you just layer, and you'll be able to carry. It is not a luggage anymore. Now for the bras, so you should layer like all of them. There. For your inner wears, they should also purpose to make them small, just in a well folded way. So now let's get into the top for your up part. So you fold in an angle that helps it reduce creases, and then you roll. Just make sure you roll as little as you can. Then you roll. Now I have already organized everything. I'm just remaining to put it in the bag, which is the most interesting part. But I'm going to be having the bag. Then instead of having a carry-on, this is what I'm going to be using to move around wherever I'll be going. I'm just going to be leaving the backpack wherever I live. Now this, I pack in my gadgets that are very crucial for me on my YouTube channel as I create content. And the first one is a power bank, and then we have a hard disk. We have yellow paper card, passport, charger, and cables, and my tripod, and my adjustable selfie stick. So I'm going to pack, because I don't need this depending on where I am going. If I am going to immigration or clearance place, this is what I put up. But if not, I put my hard disk and my power bank in the last position of the bag, then followed by this because they are in order, and some documents I have. Then after that, this is a holder for my tripod. So I just make my tripod stand. Then I always carry my toothbrush in my carry-on bag because I don't want to have any situation where I may fail to brush my teeth. Let's say, for example, I decide to call staff in whoever's place. Then we have my cable, all our cables in this size. So I have different cables for my power bank, for my phone, and yeah, just pack that. Definitely you need a pen to write it at the immigration. So I always make sure in my backpack I have a pen, suppose anything happens. So this one is for my backpack and this one is for my carry-on bag. More chargers. Then this, I carry this in case of anything. Anything happens, maybe your shoe breaks, maybe your clothes, maybe my tripod. Always have super glue in my bag. Now you know. Always I carry snacks. Snacks for now I have biscuits. Perfume, I have a small perfume, I have a bigger one in my makeup kit, so I can smell good wherever I am. And definitely a lip gloss. I prefer carrying a lip gloss when I'm traveling so that I can be able to moisturize my lips. Then we have this. I say this is the stand for my tripod. And this is ready for travel. Now because I put the paper, I'm just going to keep it. Now the most interesting part is here. We take our travel bag. My travel bag has these 3 partitions. This first partition, this second partition, and this third one. So we are going to start with the third one. Times when I'm traveling with my laptop, this is the partition for my laptop. But most of the time, I try not to carry my laptop and go get a laptop wherever I am going. Especially when I'm going to create content, because I can do that with my phone, or even get like a camera or a videographer. So the first thing you put down is, let me just open the overview. The first thing is my shoes. So make sure you start with the heavy things. They should be at the bottom of the bag, because you don't know at what point you're going to be walking as a traveler, so you just have to balance the weights. And make sure you have put everything in order. And this is the part that I always enjoy. We start with our trousers, our jeans. Then you have these two. Always make sure that the things that are leading on the top of the bag is your covering, like a lasso, because in case you want to remove them while you're in a bus or in the plane, you can easily get to them. So you just do that. And the last one. Yeah, so on this side we put our books. So I have this book that I always put at the last thing because it helps me take out on things I have not carried. So I have that put there. So we are not just going to pick the remaining things. My content creator book. Content creation book. That's why I do all the planning. My swimming cap, because a girl loves swimming. This shall go there. And my belt I will wear. And this paper I always carry because in Kenya we don't buy these things. that's where I always put my money. Like I always put my money. I can fix my earphones in there, and just small things like ID, bank statement. I didn't realize I was leaving this cable. That is why it's important you have a clear space so you can see everything you are leaving out. This is my hand gel and my belt that I'm wearing. So let's catch up when I'm done. So guys, I'm ready to step out. Hope this video has helped you. So this is how I carry. This will be my carry on, and almost all the time what is in here remains to be in here, because everywhere I go I need everything that is in this bag. So then I have my backpack, which I am going to be conveniently carrying. You don't know how long you're going to be carrying the bag, so you have to make sure that it has comfortable hands here, and also it's not as light. So that's why that's why this video is to show you how you can pack lightly, even if you're traveling for a month, 2 months. This can work even for 3 months. Also, where you go, you definitely will buy 1 or 2 items, so it becomes convenient to not carry so many things from your home place. Guys, I hope this video helps you in how you're going to be packing and how you're going to make your next packing and trip more convenient. I hope you enjoyed. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, and I will see you in my next video in this travel trip. See you guys. Thank you.